In this video, we will learn about how to use if-else statement in Angular application. Here, we are using the same application and it is running on the browser. Let's start with a simple concept. For that, let's create one more div. Inside the div, I am using p tag. Here, I can write like this, no record found. Now, remove this variable from here. I want to display this data when this value is false. If this value is true, then I have to display this part. We can do that in two ways. In first method, we can use one more ngIf directive in the second div. So here we can write ngIf directive. In the expression, we can use this variable and use not symbol like this. Save the changes. See here, we have the list. If I expand this, here we have first part only. Second div is removed from DOM element. Here simply we are using ngIf directive. We are not using if else statement. Now let's update this value as false. Save the changes. See here we don't have list and we have this message only. I don't want to handle this situation by using multiple ngIfs. I want to handle this situation by using if and else. So in the second div, let's remove this ngIf directive. Here we have to use template reference variable. We have discussed about this in our previous video. So here we can create with hash variable name, let's say else block. I want to use this variable in the first div. So after the condition, put a semicolon, use else, then paste the variable. Save the changes. See here, we are getting an error. We cannot use this else statement in this div element. For else block, we need to use ng template element. Then only it is referred by a template reference variable. So ngIf will use this template reference variable to display the else block when the condition is false. So here instead of this div, we can use ng template. So copy this and paste it here also. We will learn about this ng template in our upcoming videos. Now, if this value is true, then this part will work. And if this value is false means this else block will work. See here, we have this message. For that, in the component, let's update this value as true. Save the changes. See here, we have the list. Let's see how we can handle this situation in the second method. So in the HTML file, let's remove this list part. We will place the list outside this div. So here I will add one more ng template. Inside this, let's add list content here. If the condition is true, then I want to display this part. If the condition is false, then I want to display this part. Okay, here I will use one more reference variable. Let's say variable name record. So use this variable here. So here we have to use then and then variable name. Okay, like this. Save the changes. Okay. If the condition is true, then this particular part will placed here. If the condition is false, this particular part will placed here. Now condition is true, that is why we are having the list here. Now let's update the variable value as false. Save the changes. See here we have the message. This is how we can use ngIf and else, ngIf then and else in our HTML template. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thanks for watching this video.